Thank you, Andre. With the approved vaccine comes a question of who will have priority in getting the vaccine. Eagle News correspondent Sabir Mafti reports on the situation in Quebec. Sabir?
As the federal government of Canada announced that Canada would be receiving 249,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, Minister of Health and Social Services of Quebec, Dube, announced that Quebec would be ready to vaccinate residents next week once first doses of the vaccine have been received and 4,000 doses sent to Quebec. The Quebec Immunization Committee, a standing committee on experts reporting directly to the National Institute of Public Health of Quebec, or INSPQ, disclosed that the determination of priority groups targeted within the framework of immunization campaign, based on a preliminary opinion, with the first goal to pursue is prevention of serious illnesses and death. According to the committee, the proposed priority groups are vulnerable people with a great loss of autonomy who reside in residential and long-term care centers or in intermediate and family-type resources, workers in the health and social services network in contact with users, autonomous people or people with a loss of autonomy who live in a private seniors residence or in certain closed environments housing the elderly, isolated and remote communities, people aged 80 or over, people aged 70 to 79, people aged 60 to 69, adults under the age of 60 who have chronic illnesses or health problems that increase the risk of complications from COVID-19, adults under 60 without chronic diseases or health problems increasing the risk of complications, but who provide essential services and who are in contact with users. And finally, the rest of the adult population. Around 22,000 to 28,000 Quebecers could be vaccinated by January 4, 2021. According to the government of Quebec, the campaign will take place in 20 established locations, and a total of 650,000 Quebecers could be vaccinated by the end of March 2021. The vaccine will be offered free of charge to all residents or people in Quebec. Meanwhile, the Quebec government issues an emergency alert, public health emergency in effect, to remind residences in red zones that all public and private gatherings are prohibited and violators could face fines. There is an increase in fines for violators ranging from $1,500 to $6,000. Some residents in Ottawa also received the alert on their cell phones. In Ottawa, Canada, Sabir Mafti, Eagle News, we live in interesting times.